Hi, I'm Maura, your English teacher. Welcome to your first English lesson. Lesson 1. Where are you from? Before we start, make sure to download the PDF from the link in the description box below. Today, we're going to talk about questions. Let's start with a quick exercise. The words in this sentence are not in order. Let's try to reorder them. Do you have any brothers and sisters? This is the correct order. Ready for some more? Reorder the words to make questions. Now check your answers. Sometimes you can have some doubts. Is it where you were born or where were you born? Where were you born is the correct one, and where you were born is not correct. But why? Let's look at some grammar. There are two types of questions: questions with to do and questions with to be. To make a question with to do, we have to follow a specific order. Number 1, question word. A question word is a word like who, whose, when, how, why. Number 2, auxiliary. An auxiliary is a helper. It's a verb that helps the main verb, and that's to do. Number 3, subject. The subject can be a personal pronoun like I, you, we, they, or a name or a noun like Julie, tree, car. Number 4 is the infinitive. The infinitive is the form of the verb that is the base form. For example, work, speak, sing. To remember the order in the questions with to do, you can remember the beginning of each word like Q, A, S, I. Now let's look at some examples. Do you live with your parents? Question word, none. Auxiliary, do. Subject, you. Infinitive, live. Extra, with your parents. When did you go home? Question word, when. Auxiliary, did. Subject, you. Infinitive, go. Extra, home. Questions with to be. The order in the questions with to be is a little different because to be doesn't need the auxiliary. So the first word is a question word. The second one is to be. The third one is the subject, and the fourth one is anything extra. For example, where are you from? Question word, where. To be, are. Subject, you. Extra, from. What was that noise? Question word, what. To be, was. Subject, that. Extra, noise. Pronunciation. The way of pronouncing questions is different from the way of pronouncing a normal sentence. Let's see some examples. Do you live with your parents? Do you live with your parents? When did you go home? When did you go home? Where are you from? Where are you from? What was that noise? What was that noise? Congratulations! You have completed your first lesson. If you haven't already, download the PDF linked in the description box below. You can find the study material for this lesson and exercises with solutions. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye!